Bonjour, aloha, kiyoro, mabuhay. Hello tasters, hello world. If you're new to my channel, my name is Franz Gabriel, and today I decided to invite my little cousin, the cute and adorable Aliyah. Today we will be making cookies. Welcome to my channel, welcome to Luscious Taste, Homemade by Franz. Hi Aliyah, how are you doing today? How are you doing today? I heard you're on some break. Are you on vacation? Do you know what we're making today? That's right. Have you tried like this before? Not yet? Well, today you're gonna try them. Okay, without further ado, let's start making these cookies. The next step is to go to my website www.homemadebyfranz.com in the description below to check how to melt and brown our butter. If you don't want to brown our butter, it's okay, but browning it will just give an intense level of flavor. It won't be too overpowering, but it will just give a little je ne sais quoi. Okay, Aliyah, do you want to pour it? Okay, I'll help you. Pour it. That's liquid gold right there. Let me get the rest of the bottle. The next step is to take an electric hand mixer and mix them all together until it's like a cream. Let's mix it. Aliyah, do you want to hold the open? Just hold it. Nope, there you go. Now we're just gonna cream it until it's kind of coated inside. Make sure not to add the butter when it's too hot so that it breaks properly, because if you add it when it's still a bit hot, it will burn and don't oil it as you don't want it. That's an arm workout. Now it's kind of like a caramelized, like the texture of a very thick caramel. It's gorgeous. Now you want to add in an egg and an egg yolk. Do you want to add it in? Now that we're done mixing, the texture of the butter and the sugars mixed together is kind of like a caramelly consistency, but it's beautiful. Oh! You want to try that? Okay. And now you want to add in your egg. Okay, Aliyah? Pour it in. Okay, good. And now let's mix it up once again. It's kind of like honeycomb, you know, not honeycomb. What do you think it tastes like? Honeycomb? You don't know? Okay, let's move on to the next step. Now you want to sift in your dry ingredients into the bowl. Aliyah, you want to pour some of the dry ingredients? This is all-purpose flour, and this is bread flour. Do you want to pour it in? Okay. Pour it. And then we can sift it to remove any lumps. Just pour out it. Let me get the rest of it off so that you don't waste any flour. And then, can you pour in that one? Yes. Okay. Now, do you want to help me sift this? Hold this one. And just shake, shake, shake. Just shake it. Good. There you go. type of cookies. They're kind of like, you don't want them in your cookies because then they will just taste like flour and you'll be tired of it. Okay, now that we have all our dry ingredients sifted, we can add in our vanilla extract. You want to use it? What? And then just mix it up once again. Do it on a low speed so that you don't splatter flour everywhere. I'm gonna hold this a bit far away so that it doesn't splatter flour on us. Going everywhere. The flour is flying everywhere. Last but not least, let's add in the chocolate chips. Okay, let's pour in the chocolate chips. More. That's enough. Are you sure? There's a lot of dough. I think we should add it all. Aliyah, what do you want to be when you grow up? Huh? I can't see. Oh no. Yeah, it's good. Kind of tastes like a vanilla chocolate chip. Or do you want to be a chef or baker when you grow up? She doesn't know. Okay, do you want to fold it? No? Okay. You don't want to overly mix it so that you don't get a tough dough. Okay? You can also use chocolate chunks if you would like to make it look more rustic and just give it a nicer look throughout. But we're just going to be using chocolate chips because that's what we have available. That's well mixed. Beautiful. For optimal flavor, you can refrigerate the dough overnight or for 1 hour for optimal flavor. But because we're a bit impatient and our mouths are already watering from seeing this dough, we're just going to scoop it up, place it onto the pan, and then put it into a preheated oven and bake it for around 12 to 14 minutes. Yeah, we're going to make the cookies now. Aliyah, is the pancake delicious? You like it? What is in the dough? We're first going to make these small cookies and then we are going to attempt to make a big one, as in a big one. Well, not a giant, like a big one. Because this pan won't fit like a giant one, which I would love to do. But it fits like almost the size of this. Okay, tasters, our cookies just came out of the oven and they look delicious. Okay, again, let's try them. They are delicious. Aliyah, do you like them? They're delicious. Were they fun and easy to make? Yay! You did such a good job today. Okay, that's fun something. Thanks for helping me. Thank you for joining with me, Aliyah. I hope you enjoyed baking with me. Did you enjoy baking? I hope you can bake with me again another snack. If you were to do another video with making another snack, what snack would you want? About pancake? You would like that? Well done, Aliyah. High five. Good job. You helped a lot today. You did great. Thanks, Aliyah. And thank you, tasters, for watching until the end of this video. If you'd like for me and Aliyah to make another snack or treat, you can leave your comments and suggestions down below and we will try to make it happen. You can like and share this video too. And if you aren't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button and the tiny bell icon to receive notifications of my new videos every week. Please follow me on my Instagram and Facebook page at homemadebyfranz. See you on my next video. Don't forget, happiness starts in the kitchen. Be positive, share love. Thank you for watching Luscious Taste, Homemade by Franz.